Hello children and welcome to today's session for English literature. Hello children, we are going to do the Merchant of Venice Act 4 Scene 1 in this class. We have already covered up till page number 174, line number 260, where Shylock is actually praising Portia's way of interpreting and Portia's argument in where she is saying that Shylock deserves that pound of flesh that he is desiring for, because that is what is being mentioned in the will, that is what is being mentioned in the bond, and he has got every right to demand for it. Portia, therefore, lay your bosom. Portia says, therefore, I request you, Antonio. Therefore, I request you, Antonio, to clear your space near the heart so that the pound of flesh can be taken away from there. Then she had asked, then Portia had asked Shylock to arrange a surgeon who could treat the wound. We have done all this. We have done up till line number 310, I guess. Yes, we have done up till line number 310, where Bassanio says that she was ready to pay so much money and the value of Antonio was more than his own life and value of his life, that is his own wife. And then Portia says that then Shylock says that Christians, they are like this only, that Christian husbands, they are like this only, they don't value their wives more, they value other people. Then he says that, he says this aside, separately he says, then he says that we are wasting our time, let us proceed to have some judgment. Then Portia says, we are wasting time and let us proceed to have the judgment. Portia says, a pound of that same merchant's flesh is thine, the court awards it and the law doth give it. Now Portia again insists upon the fact that the pound of flesh Portia again insists upon the fact that the pound of flesh that is there to be taken from Antonio's body is actually the right of Shylock, and he is rightfully demanding for it, and he will get it. According to court, he will get it. Shylock, most rightful judge. Shylock says that you are the most rightful judge. Most rightful means most correct, most appropriate judge. Portia, and you must cut this flesh from off his breast. The law allows it and the court awards it. Now Portia says to Shylock that you must take the pound of flesh that you are willing to take from somewhere near his heart, because the court doth allow it. Court is allowing you because it is lawful and you can take it, and it can be your reward. It is a sort of reward for you. Shylock, most learned judge, a sentence, come prepare. Most learned judge, Shylock says, most learned judge, it is a good sentence, you should come and prepare yourself. Antonio. And Portia, tarry a little. Tarry over here means wait. Portia says, tarry a little, wait a little. There is something else. This bond that give thee hair or no jot of blood. Now tarry a little, wait a little. This bond says something more. This bond says give thee hair no jot of blood. Says here that it is not mentioned that when a pound of flesh will be taken out from Antonio's body, there will be a jot or a spot of blood. The word expressly are a pound of flesh. Portia says that the words as they are written in the bond are a pound of flesh. That is, a pound of flesh is only what you have to take from his body, and there should not be a drop of blood. Then take then thy bond, take thou thy pound of flesh. According to your bond, if you go by your bond, if you go by the terms and the conditions or or what is written in the bond, then you are entitled to take that pound of flesh away. You take that pound of flesh from his body, and that is what is yours. That is what is entitled to you. That is what will be given to you by the court as well. But in the cutting it, if thou dost shed, but when you are cutting a pound of flesh from his body, if you dost shed means if you dost shed a drop of blood, one drop of Christian blood, one drop, even a drop of blood, thy lands and goods are by the laws of Venice confiscate unto the state of Venice. Then what will happen? Then your land and wealth, that is your property and all your money and riches, will be confiscated, will be actually taken away, will be actually frozen by the law of Venice, and it should pass to the Venetian government. Confiscate means to take charge of something, officially, to take charge of something officially. Gratiano, O upright judge, mark Jew, O learned judge. Gratiano says that, O upright judge, O learned judge, listen to that, Jew, O learned judge. Shylock, is that the law? Shylock says that is it the law? Is it the way you, Shylock inquires from Portia, is it the way that you are interpreting the bond? Is it according to the law? Portia, thyself shall see the act. For as thou urgest justice, be assured that shall have justice more than thou desirest. Now you shall see the act. You shall see the act means you shall see the action. Act over here means action. You shall see, now you should see the action, because since you are desiring for justice, since your desire is that you want justice, I should make sure that you get justice, and you get more justice than you actually desire for. Gratiano, O learned judge, mark Jew, a learned judge. Again, Gratiano is actually passing a comment on Shylock, who was actually praising Portia before, because she was saying that he actually deserves that pound of flesh that he is demanding for. Now when she has interpreted the bond, now again it has gone against Shylock. That is why Gratiano is saying that you are a very learned judge, you are a very qualified judge, you are a very learned lawyer, a very upright judge. Shylock, I take this offer then, pay the bond thrice and let the Christian go. Now Shylock says, then since you are telling me that if I don't go, if I have to take a pound of flesh away from Antonio's body in such a condition, there should not be a drop of blood. In that situation, I would say that let this Christian go. I'm not taking a pound of flesh from his body. Let me take thrice the amount and let me take thrice the amount that he had taken from me and let him go. Bassanio, here is the money. Bassanio says that here is the money. Here is the money that is being offered to you. Portia, soft. Soft means stop, wait. Soft over here means stop or wait. Portia says soft means stop or wait. The Jew shall have all justice. Stop, no haste. No haste means no hurry. Portia says that stop, wait a bit. I am telling that the Jew should have all the justice. The justice that he was desiring for, he shall get all the justice. And wait until no haste. Wait for some time and do not hurry. Haste means to hurry. Do not hurry into any decision. Wait for some time. The Jew shall have all the justice. He shall have nothing but the penalty. He shall have nothing. He would have nothing but the penalty he has to pay. Gratiano, O Jew, an upright judge, a learned judge. Now he is again addressing to Shylock, and he is saying that now see Shylock, she is an upright judge, she is a very learned judge. You were very pleased with her. Now see, she has actually turned it against you. Portia, therefore, prepare thee to cut off the flesh. Now therefore, get ready to take the pound of flesh. Shed thou no blood. And when you are taking that pound of flesh, make sure that you do not shed a drop of blood. Nor cut thou less nor more. And when you are cutting that pound of flesh, make sure that you cut exactly a pound of flesh. Not more than that, not less than that. But just a pound of flesh. It should be exactly 1 pound of flesh that you are taking away from Christian's body. If thou cuttest more or less than a just pound, now she is saying that if you cut either more or less than just a pound, be it but so much as makes it light or heavy in the substance, or the division of the 12th part of one poor scruple, nay, if the scale do turn, but in the estimation of a hair thou diest, all the goods are confiscated. Now Portia is saying that this exactness should be such that it should not exceed 1 pound, and it should not be less than 1 pound. And when it is measured by a scale, then also it should be exact amount, that is a pound of flesh. And then she says the difference of the way of one hair should not also be there, and it should be exact. Otherwise, you will have the death penalty, and if there is a difference, if there is a discrepancy between the way, then what will be there? Then all the money will be taken, everything will be taken away from you. Your property will be confiscated. Your property will be officially taken away from you, and you will be given death penalty. Gratiano, a second Daniel. A second Daniel means that Daniel is a Roman mythological character who gives a very fair judgment. Now he is saying, Gratiano is saying that here is a person who is actually the incarnation of another Daniel, who is in the incarnation of Daniel. So he is a second Daniel, that is Portia. He over here is because as of now, she has disguised herself in the form of a lawyer. A Daniel Jew. No, now infidel, I have thee on the hip. Now infidel means a person who does not believe in a person who does not believe. Infidel means disbeliever. Infidel means disbeliever. Now, Gratiano is saying that this infidel, I have thee on the hip. I have thee on the hip means now I have firm hold of this man. That is Shylock. Now I have this firm hold of this man. Portia, why doth the Jew pause? Take thy forfeiture. Portia says that what was the reason why the Jew has stopped. Take what is due to you. Take just the forfeiture means take what is due to you. Take whatever actually you are entitled to take. You should take that. Now, Shylock, give me my principal and let me go. Give me my actual amount. I am not asking thrice the amount now. I am saying give me the principal amount and let me go. Let me go. Now let me go. Bassanio, I have it ready for thee. Here it is. I have it ready for you. Here it is, Bassanio says. Portia, he had refused it in the open court. Portia says that he is the one, that is Shylock is the one who had refused to accept that amount in the open court, in this court only, in front of everyone. He shall have merely justice and his bond. Now he is going to get justice and the terms and the conditions that are being mentioned in the bond. Gratiano, a Daniel still say, a second Daniel, I thank thee, Jew, for teaching me that word. Gratiano says that Daniel, that is the person who gives very famous, very impartial judgment according to Roman mythology. So he says that the second Daniel is here, I suppose, and thank you for teaching me that word, Daniel. Where? For teaching me that word, Daniel. That is why again and again I am speaking. Shylock, shall I not have barely my principal? Shylock says that can I not have barely the base amount, the principal amount that actually I am demanding for? Portia, thou shalt have nothing but the forfeiture. You shall have nothing but the penalty, to be taken as thy peril, to be taken at your risk, to be taken as at your risk due. Shylock, why then the devil give him good of it? I will say no longer question. Shylock says, then may the devil take him. May the devil take him. I shall not stay here to discuss it any longer. Now Shylock says that I am going to leave now. I am not going to stay here. I am not going to discuss it any longer. I am going to leave, and the devil is going to take the amount. Now I am leaving. So we'll stop here today. We have done up till line number 358. We will continue from here in our next session on Monday, and we'll try to finish off this scene on Monday. We will surely finish off this scene. Okay. Till then, thank you so much, children, for joining. May you all have a nice day.